We're going to use the goal seek again, but it's going to be a little bit different. So in this example, Jessica wants to perform a similar analysis for Santa Fe quilts by determining the price the company needs to set to earn a gross profit per Santa Fe quilt of 100. So basically for Santa Fe, the price that they have right now is for 390, and the gross profit per unit is $94. But she wants to see how much she needs to set the price at to make the gross profit to $100. So for that, we're gonna go to goal seek, and then we are going to change this value, which is going to be D15, and we want to set it to $100. That's what we want the profit to be. And then we want to change this variable right here. So this cell, which is the price, we want it to give us the result of at what price do we need to sell it to meet the 100 profit value. So we're going to press OK, and then it says goal seeking with cell D15 found a solution, blah blah blah. Press OK, and there you go. So they would have to move it up to $396 price to get to that unit gross profit value. So yeah, and that's how you use goal seek.